Monday, April 28th. The reporting marathon begins with the American company Waste Management Inc., which specializes in waste management. Professionals predict a decline in revenue from $5.89 billion to $5.67 billion. The price of one share is $231.48 in New York. Next, SMS Co Ltd., a provider of information infrastructure from Japan, will report. Experts expect a rise in revenue from 13.04 billion yen to 14.34 billion yen. Shares are trading at 1,071 yen and 50 cents each on the Tokyo Stock Exchange. Tuesday, April 29th. Later in the day, the spotlight will be on the South Korean software developer Krafton Inc. Revenue is highly likely to increase from 617.60 billion won to 678.52 billion won. Shares are trading at 377,000 won each. Next, South Korean entertainment company HYBE will present its results. Revenue is expected to decline from 725.30 billion won to 676.91 billion won. Each share is valued at 227,000 won during the trading session in Seoul. Wednesday, April 30th. At the midpoint of the week, tech giant Samsung Electronics Co. Pref from South Korea will report. There is a high likelihood of revenue growth from 75.80 trillion won to 77.20641 trillion won. The price of one share is 45,650 won. Also, Japanese electronics manufacturer Keyence will report its results. There are strong indications that revenue will rise from 259.64 billion yen to 260.48 billion yen. The price of one share is 57,540 yen during the trading session in Tokyo. Thursday, May 1st. The following day, American consumer electronics giant Apple Inc. will present its results. Experts are confident that revenue will increase from $124.30 billion to $124.99 billion. The price of one share is $202.14 on the Nasdaq. Afterward, U.S. pharmaceutical company Eli Lilly and Company will report. Revenue is likely to improve from $13.53 billion to $13.78 billion. Shares are valued at $757.18 each on the New York Stock Exchange. Friday, May 2nd. Before the weekend, U.S. natural gas supplier Exxon Mobil Corp. will share its results. Analysts predict a revenue increase from $83.43 billion to $85.35 billion. The price of one share is $103.10. Closing the series of reports is U.S. oil company Chevron Corp. Revenue is expected to decline from $52.23 billion to $48.03 billion. The price of one share is $134.54.